In today's video, I'll teach you how to create a Messenger account without Facebook account. So if you want to use the Messenger but if you do not want to have the Facebook account, for that what you can do is simply create deactivated except Messenger account. So for that simply create the Facebook account and Messenger account like you usually do. After you do that, in order to only have the Messenger account, what you have to do is simply deactivate your Facebook account except the Messenger. So for that what you have to do is launch open Facebook on your device. You can see over here Facebook has been opened. Tap on the menu icon that you can see at the top left corner of your screen. Now once you do that, tap on this option settings and privacy. Now tap on the option settings that you can see at first. Now you'll be able to access the settings over here. At first you'll be able to find this option for account center. Tap on it. Now you'll be led to the account center interface. Over here you'll be able to find this option for manage accounts. Tap on it. Now after you do that, you can see over here you'll be able to see the accounts that you can manage. Find your Facebook account and tap on this option manage. Now once you do that, you'll be able to see various options over here. Tap on this option deactivation or deletion that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you'll be able to see your Facebook account over here. Tap on it. Now you can either deactivate your account or delete your account. Deleting your account will also delete the Messenger. So what you have to do is tap on this option deactivate account. Now tap on this option continue that you can see on the screen. Now you can see the pages and profiles that will be deactivated. Tap on this option continue. Now for security reason, you'll have to re-enter your password. So simply enter your password over here. Now tap on this option continue that you can see on the screen. Now select the reason for deactivation. Now tap on this option continue. Now you will be led to this kind of interface. If you want, you can automatically reactivate your account in certain days. Right now 7 days is selected. You can simply tap on it. Now after you do that, tap on the option of your choice. If you do not want it to be reactivated automatically, tap on this option don't reactivate automatically. Now tap on the done option that you can see on the screen. Now tap on the continue option. Now you'll have to confirm the temporary account deletion. You can see over here you'll remain active on Messenger. So tap on this option deactivate my account that you can see on the screen. Now wait for a while and your account will be deactivated. Though the Facebook account has been deactivated, you'll be able to use the Messenger account. Your account will be deactivated except Messenger account. That means your Messenger account will be active but you'll no longer have the Facebook account. So that is how you create a Messenger account without Facebook account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.